Hi, welcome to DayTradeToWin.com. Today we're looking at the emini S&P 500 and the Atlas line day trading strategy. We're just about to get the day's first trading signal here. Earlier today, the market formed sort of a triangle here with support at 29.82, 83 something and lower highs, telling us that demand is drying up and we ought to see lower prices ahead. And once the support was broken, we saw a big down move. It's likely that the market will retest this price level sometime later today. But now it's about 9:55. We're waiting for the Atlas line to give us the first trading signal for the day. There we go. It's a trading signal to go long at 29.77.5. The profit target for this trade will be 2.25 points. To determine the profit target, we use the ATR. The value is 2.39 here at the time of the trading signal. We use this value as the profit target, but we average down to the closest tick value of the instrument that we're trading. 1 point is 4 ticks in the emini S&P 500, 4 quarters, so that's 0.25. So 2 points and 1 tick is our profit target. If we trade 10 contracts, that would be a little bit over $1,000, just to put everything in perspective. So for this trade, the exact price target is 29.79 3/4. If we reach that, we'll cash in $1,000. So let's see how this trade plays out. The market is likely to retest the price level, forming the support here in the triangle. And there we go, 29.79 3/4. Our profit target is met. The market seems to continue upwards from here. We could use a trailing stop and trail stop under the market price here in order to lock in even more profit on this trade. But that's it. That's today's first Atlas line trade. Go to DayTradeToWin.com for more information, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more day trading videos and learn from us. Until next time, good trading.